Human resources is only the active factor of production. He is only works as an active. And thus the role of management cannot be, we can't ignore the human from our management. So we can say it is a social process. Why you can say it is a social process means the manager have to take decisions and the workers implement for, and the workers how to do the work for the benefit of the consumers, means the society of the people. So we can say it is a social process. Suppose we are producing a product, for the instructions are given by the manager, means one person, and the production has done by some workers. The ultimate the product is given to our people, means consumers. For eating that product, we have the product will useful to the society only. So you can say it is a social process. Next, management is intangible. Why you can say intangible means the human, the service, we can say the management people, we are doing the service, we can't see the service, we can't able to touch, means it is not a good, it is a service provided to one person to other person. So we can say it is an intangible. Management is intangible or invisible force, we can't able to see or touch. It is an abstract in character. Managerial activities are only a descriptive and not quantitative. We can describe, say I will say like I do this work in this particular time, but I am unable to show the work because I am doing some service. For example, our mother is cooking food. At the end we get the food, but we can't see how the mother will cook. So at the end we receive the output, but we don't see what the effects the mother put to prepare the food. So we can say it is an intangible, you cannot able to touch. The output we can touch, but the service provided the mother for cooking the food we can't able to touch. So we can say it is an intangible. Management can't be seen, but it is a pervasive, can be felt from its results. But ultimate there is a food, but we are unable to see how mother will affect to put for cook the food. I hope you understand. So we can say management is an intangible because the services provided by the humans is unable to see. So we can say it is an intangible. Next, management is a art, science and profession. Management is a art and science. Management is an art as it involves an application of knowledge and skills for solution of managerial problems. Already we discussed in starting class, management is an art and it involves application of knowledge and skills. Management means it is an application of knowledge and skills, we can say it is an art. While following the principles, we can say it is a science. It is a science as it is a systematic body of knowledge consisting of general accepted principles. While we are applying our skills, we can say it is an art. By following some principles, it is a science. So management is an art and science. Next, management is a multidisciplinary. Why you can say management is a multidisciplinary means management is not doing the one thing. It plans, it organizes, it controls, it commands. All these things are done by the management. So we can say it is a multidisciplinary activity. Management deals with the human behavior and thus it is a multidisciplinary in nature. Many of the ideas, principles, theories and techniques made use in the management have their origin not in the disciplinary, especially in social sciences such as physiology. Physiology means work through mind and behavior. Economics and anthropology is like how to observe to do things. It is based on different branches in anthropology. So we can say it is a management is a multidisciplinary. Up to now we discuss what is the introduction of the management and meaning of the management, definition of the management and characteristics of the management. If you have any doubt up to now, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Study hard.